Hey everyone, I have my little seal here and I've got my resin out of the vacuum chamber just now. I'm using Nick Pro. It's not a certain temperature or anything. I'm gonna put it in here. Bubbles started to come out, so I better quit while I'm ahead. I don't know if I'll stay down. Might just have to float, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna have to sit here for like an hour, and I'll come back, and if I gotta move it, I'll move it, or whatever I gotta do with it. The bubble right there. Okay, so I'll check back. See ya. Okay, I had to mute the sound because I have this plastic. It's not plastic wrap. It's literally just plastic that came off of something I bought, but it's a little thicker than the saran wrap, so I wanted to use it hoping it would peel off a little better. But it is freaking loud, so I muted sections, so if you're wondering why it's silent, that is why. So I've been squishing it, hoping it will keep some kind of shape. And I might mute the sound while I'm putting this in, or when I'm messing with it, so it's not too loud and bother you. I think that's all I'm gonna do. Nothing major. We don't wanna be poking in there too much. Of course, now I'm gonna poke more. Good enough. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave that to cure, and then I'll be back. See ya. Okay, let's get some powder in this guy. I think I want to do the holographic powder in the bottom. And I've got some slick spots in there that it's not sticking to really. I think that helped. Okay. And then I want to use some of the chrome powder. Oh, the blue one. Man, that's beautiful. My gosh. Oh. super easy to put in here with your finger too. Kind of rub it in there also. Oh my gosh, beautiful. I really think this saved me a lot of time doing this, so I'm not going to complain. Okay, did I get them all? I think I did. There's some spots in there where I have some overspill. Oh, I'm glad I looked. Right there. Right here. Okay, this is gonna be my Splish Splash Saturday at the friendship train. Okay, guys. There'll be a link in my playlist, so, or a link in my description for the playlist if you guys want to check out the other videos of my resin friends. And let's go ahead and get some black in here. I have a little resin already mixed up. I just gotta add some black to it, so 1 second and I'll do that. Get that in there. Awesome. Sweet, guys. Love it. All right. I'll check back after he's all nice and cured. See ya. Okay, let's take a look and see what we got. I love that so much. Look at that. That is awesome. Oh, my starfishes. Is that what you call them? More than one? Or are they just starfish, regardless? Anyway, wow, I love it, guys. I've got another one. I did him backwards accidentally. You know, I wanted to do the front. And I did the back of his body. He's beautiful too. But, sweet, guys. Same process. But I think they turned out stunning and I love them. I'm going to go outside and get some pictures. If you guys aren't subscribed, please do. And please hit the like button. It means a lot when I see that people are enjoying what I'm doing. Also, make sure you watch the other artists. There's a playlist for our Friendship Express. And thank you guys a lot. I hope you have an amazing day and have a good one. I'll see you next time. See ya.